Today we're going to be looking at the new Vaporesso Cross 4 Pod Kit, the newest addition to the Cross line, featuring a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery. The device offers 3 unique output modes with a brand new display screen for added visual confirmation, optimizing Vaporesso's power boosting pulse mode, powered by 2 amp fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 3 ml refillable pod, providing the all-new Corex 2.0 technology, compatible with the entire Cross Pod series, giving you more options for an incredible vaping experience. Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel, and for those of you that are new to this page, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest vape products and reviews. Now let's get right into it and present the new Cross 4 Pod Kit by Vaporesso. And here we have the new Cross 4 Pod Kit by Vaporesso, the latest addition to the famous Cross line. Crafted from an all-aluminum alloy shell, the device offers a unique unibody design structure for durability and superior feel, available in 10 vibrant colorways to choose from. Here we have the blue edition for today's review. Integrating a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, the Cross 4 delivers 3 unique power levels, powered by fast charging Type-C USB. The device offers dual firing capabilities, utilizing both auto draw activation and manual firing, with a visual display screen accompanied by a vibrant LED effect that keeps you informed on the current battery level, as well as the different power outputs available. On the back, we have an adjustable airflow control switch that allows for fine-tuned airflow adjustment between a loose RDL style draw to a tight MTL style draw. We also have our 2 amp USB Type-C charge port on the side. The Cross 4 will be paired with a refillable Cross Pod, offering a snap-off top fill system, housing up to 3 ml of e-liquid, universally compatible with Vaporesso's entire Cross-Pod platform, adopting the all-new Corex 2.0 tech, offering explosive flavor and prolonged performance, thanks to its refined adjustment to the morph mesh grid and upgraded cotton, allowing for faster heating and efficient e-liquid distribution, resulting in better flavors and better vapor production. To power on the device, press the firing button 5 times, and the main screen will illuminate, indicating the device is active. Press the firing button 3 times to access the adjustment interface, to which we can toggle through the 3 different output modes indicated by the respective logo for added visual confirmation. If we press the button 4 times, we can fully lock the device. The Cross 4 also comes in a mini version. This is the Cross 4 mini pod system, which offers the same 1000 mAh built-in battery with an all-aluminum unibody design and universally compatible cross-pod platform. However, it does not feature a display screen, nor does it offer an adjustable output mode. But if the added features are not something you are looking for, the mini version still provides Vaporesso's Corex 2.0 technology, producing great tasting flavors and vapor production. The package will include the Cross 4 battery device with a 3 ml Cross Pod with a pre-installed 0.6 ohm mesh coil, an extra Cross Pod with a pre-installed 0.8 ohm mesh coil, a Type-C USB charging cable, a reminder card highlighting all of the previous Cross models along with their pod compatibilities, and lastly, our user manual. For more information on the new Cross 4 pod system and the Cross 4 mini pod system and other Vaporesso products,